Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Subaru Crosstrek. First, prioritize your safety by finding a secure, level spot away from moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert others. Before you begin, ensure you have all necessary tools: your spare tire, the jack, a lug wrench, and your owner's manual for specific instructions. Safety is paramount when working on your vehicle. Now, let's get started. Before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, consult your owner's manual to locate the correct jacking points on your Crosstrek's frame. Position the jack firmly and begin to raise the vehicle slowly and steadily until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing it to spin freely. With the vehicle safely elevated, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. It might be heavy, so be prepared. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and gently push it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten each lug nut back onto its stud until it feels snug. This ensures the tire is seated correctly before lowering. Finally, carefully lower your Subaru Crosstrek completely to the ground using the jack. Once the vehicle is fully on the ground, use your lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts firmly. Always tighten them in a star or crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure, giving each nut a final, snug turn. Don't forget to store your flat tire and all your tools securely in the designated area in your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.